What's poppin', chef? In today's video, I'll be making a Jersey Club track like R3LL. Now before we start, make sure you like and subscribe for more content like this. Now I'll be using sounds from the Jersey Club Essential Drum Kit and the Nighttime Drum Kit, and the links to those will be in the description below. I'm gonna play you the sample that I have.
Go home, pack your get gone, 'cause I can't take this here no more.
So the first thing I want to do is like increase the BPM. So I increase it to like 139, 140, and I want to transpose it by 2. And then I will change the warping settings to complex pro and changing the formats all the way down. Now the reason why I'm doing this is so now I want to chop up the parts that I want to use as the instrumental. So I kind of redid the structure, and now it sounds like this. So So I still use everything from the Jersey Club Essential Drum Kit and the Nighttime Drum Kit, but these two loops down here are from my Patreon Jersey Club Chop loop kit. Now it's time for the drums, and I already made a section for the drums, and it sounds like this. Now, to make our jobs a little bit easier, I'll just use the So I added the drums to the Jersey Club structure that I added, and now it sounds like this. And now I'm gonna bring back the original song right here. That's the original song, but now at the last 8th bar, I'ma bring it back and add the Jersey Club elements, and you'll see in just a moment. how we brought back the Jersey Club element over here, so it's like a seamless transition. So I'll play from here and you'll see how smooth it is. And I want to add another variant by extending the vocals. And at the 41st bar, I'm going to end it there. So I'm going to duplicate this one more time. And I'm gonna take away the midnight 808. And that's it. I'm gonna play it from the top and we'll call it a day. that's it for today's tutorial. I'll leave the download link in the comment section. Let me know what other tutorials you would like to see, and I'll see you in the next one.